அனைவருக்கும் அன்பான வணக்கம். மீண்டும் உங்களை என்னும் ஒரு பாலம், அதாவது இது சோல்பேன் க்ரீக் என்று அழைக்கப்படுகின்ற ஒரு பாலத்திலிருந்து பாலத்தின் கீழிருந்து உங்களை சந்திக்கின்றேன். இங்கு நாங்கள் பார்க்கும் இந்த பாலமானது கிட்டத்தட்ட 50-60 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன்பு கட்டப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த பாலத்தில் நாங்கள் முன்பு பார்த்தது போல பாலங்களுக்கு கீழே அமைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் இந்த பியர்ஸ், அதாவது பாலத்தை தாங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கும் இந்த தூண்கள் தண்ணீரில் உப்பு தண்ணீருக்கு தொடுகையில் இருக்கின்றது. எனவே அதற்குள் இருக்கும் அந்த கம்பிகள், ரெயின்ஃபோர்ஸ்மெண்ட் பார்ஸ் வந்து tend to corrode. So it will, in a long time, it will reduce the lifetime of this bridge. So it's called prevention of corrosion. The corrosion வந்து we had to prevent by introducing cathodic protection என்று சொல்லப்படுகின்ற இந்த வேலை ஒன்று இப்பொழுது செய்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். சரிதானே? So you can see these one holes. So all these holes are drilled and cathode will be anode will be inserted here. Maniga vandam anodes, right? We are introducing the anodes here. So cathode is reinforcement. Reinforcement is the cathode, right? So by the reinforcement end, which is going to be the negative, and then cathode will be connected. Negative side will be connected to reinforcement. Okay. Then electron will be passing to reinforcement, so that protect the corrosion. Okay. So now what we are looking here is the scaffold access to work area. This is very important part of this project. Scaffold access to work area. Okay. So meantime, while we are doing this project, as you can see, there is some corrosion here. So we need to expose this concrete breaks, wherever the corrosion area, we have to expose this and then do the concrete patching as well, clean and paint this one, and then it will be reinstated. Okay, so that's going to be part of this project. As you can see, this is called Georges River, right? Georges River, it's a navigable river. So that means the boats, we have to, like every other road works, okay. So as you can see, these are safety measures. You can see the water is running. This side, what we are facing now, is the water flow direction. Downstream, upstream is this end. Okay. So in this bridge, we are working on 4 bridges here. 4 piers. Pier numbers are counted from. This is what I am facing now is north side. My right hand side, which is here. So this one, right? East end here, right? North, east, south, west is this side. This side is west, right? So pier numbers are counted from number 1. Number 1 is that side. I will take you to number 1, and then 2, 3. This one is number 3. This one is number 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, which are we call this um, land piers, right? There are piers, land pier and border piers, right? So we are working on border piers, because border piers are the one most of the time quickly corroded. Okay. Okay, so border piers are the one we are working on now, right? So recently we had a very high storm event. So water came up to here somewhere. It's a high tide. So as you can see this side, the number one pier. That is number one pier. Okay. See where the boardwalk area, right? So part of this project, that boardwalk is a council-owned boardwalk. So what we will be doing, we will be removing temporarily that boardwalk and put back in the same condition again. So during that period, it will be closed. Boardwalk will be closed. So no access here. There will be another detour sort of thing, right? So as you can see here, there are two bridges. Two bridges means that bridge, northern side bridge, construction. That's called new bridge, right? That's new bridge. This one is northeast, southern side one is the old one. As you can see, the conditions, right? Two different conditions, right? So the more corrosion and more damages on the one, this side one, the picture, left hand side one, this bridge, right? The one here, this bridge, this is not a vehicle, right? It's actually this is called utility bridge. It carries a very high voltage cable. This is owned by Transgrid. We are not working on this bridge. This is not our job. We are working only this area. Okay. That's the scope of the work. Right. Mainly, we will be working on this columns. Right. All these bridge columns. So you can see now we are part of this work. We have to do concrete damages. See all this concrete. So we are patching this one now. So we found a crack here, you can see, right? That will be repaired first, and then so anodes. These are the holes marked for anodes installation. They already started installation of anodes, right? So this project is nearly 2.6 million project. 2.6 million is including development, design, construction and handover, right? So it's in construction phase of the project, right? Okay. Yeah, so we are doing a similar sort of project, 3 projects, which is 3 different locations. It's called hybrid anode system, right? Hybrid anode. Hybrid anode is an anode we'll install, and then first 2 weeks it will be act like ICPs, like induce current protection, ICP sort of thing. After that, it will act like a sacrificial anode. Okay. So now still they are working on this scaffolding that is in progress. It's very important part of this project, right? Installation of scaffold. When we work in water areas, That's very important part, right? Scaffold access. Scaffold access design is a separate issue. There is another subcontractor will be installing this one, and design of scaffold. So as you can see, the biggest fan. So so design and certification, especially in the and the work is in an environmentally sensitive area. So we have to prepare an CEMP, REF approvals and process. This all in the development period. It takes nearly 1 year, almost more than 1 year to get this one ready. Right? Process and preparation of REF, CEMP, and then we have to see any species here like microbats and things like that. Then we have to do a microbat survey to make sure all cleared. And again we have to consider take careful and protection of these mangroves around here, right? So it's very sensitive area, lot of process involved. Okay. Yeah, this is very early stage of this project. I will keep recording and keep adding more and more as I go, right? And power, as you said, power, this area normally when we work around is water, no power connection, so we have to have a what do you call generators, right? Generators, and then since it's a remote area, so we have to have a CCTV camera installed for prevention of theft. Okay, so and we have to produce the quality documentation like ITPs and environmental inspections, safety inspections. Our safety officers, quality and environmental people, they very often come to site and make sure site is in a good condition. And yeah. Right. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I will keep updating more information. Take care. Bye bye.